Welcome to Investor X. Here's a list of 7 incredible dividend stocks that are at a good valuation, and you should start building a position in. Before buying any stocks, please take the time to do your own due diligence. There is a reason these companies are at their current price. Now, let's get right into the first ticker on the list. Hold on, quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice or a recommendation of any sort. In addition, personal positions are held in each of these stocks. Enjoy this list. Stag Industrial Inc. Ticker symbol STAG. Founded by Benjamin S. Butcher on July 21, 2010, and is headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts. The company is a real estate investment trust, which focuses on acquisition, ownership and operation of single-tenant, industrial properties throughout the United States. Stag Industrial had a current price of $30.96 by the time of creating this video. They decreased by 25.51% on the one-year charts, and have a market cap of $5.55 billion. Their 52-week high is $48.27 and 52-week low is $29.43. P/E ratio of 24.39 and current yield of 4.72%. Stag Industrial has grown their dividends for 10 years. Navient Corporation. Ticker symbol NAVI. Navient was founded on April 30, 2014, by John F. Remodi and headquartered in Wilmington, Delaware. The company is an American corporation that services and collects student loans. Managing nearly $300 billion in student loans for more than 12 million debtors, the company was formed in 2014 by the split of Sallie Mae into two distinct entities, Sallie Mae Bank and Navient. Navient had a current price of $14.16. They decreased by 37.29% on the one-year charts and have a market cap of $2.01 billion. Their 52-week low is $12.45 and 52-week high is $23.80. P/E ratio of 3.67 and current yield of 3.67%. Navient has grown their dividends for a year now. The CocaCola Company. Ticker symbol KO. Coca-Cola is an American multinational beverage corporation, best known as the producer of Coca-Cola and founded in 1892. The company also manufactures, sells, and markets other non-alcoholic beverage concentrates and syrups, and alcoholic beverages. Coke had a current price of $59.54. They increased by 10.14% on the one-year charts, and have a market cap of $257.49 billion. Their 52-week low is $52.28 and 52-week high is $67.20. P/E ratio of 27.07% and current yield of 2.96%. The company has grown their dividends for 60 years already. Stanley Black & Decker, Incorporated. Ticker symbol SWK. Stanley Black & Decker, formerly known as the Stanley Works, is a Fortune 500 American manufacturer of industrial tools and household hardware and provider of security products. The company was founded by Frederick Trent Stanley in 1843 and headquartered in Hartford County, Connecticut, United States. Stanley Black & Decker had a current price of $85.45. They decreased by 53.56% on the one-year charts and have a market cap of $12.63 billion. Their 52-week low is $83.89 and 52-week high is $199.20. P/E ratio of 13.98 and current yield of 3.74%. Stanley Black & Decker has grown their dividends for 53 years. Main Street Capital Corporation. Ticker symbol MAIN. Main Street Capital is a principal investment firm that provides long-term debt and equity capital to lower middle-market companies and debt capital to middle-market companies. Founded by Dwayne Hyzak in 2007 and headquartered in Houston, Texas. Main Street Capital Corporation had a current price of $39.72. They decreased by 2.10% on the one-year charts and have a market cap of $2.99 billion. Their 52-week low is $34.35 and 52-week high is $47.13. P/E ratio of 10.81 and current yield of 6.65%. Main Street Capital has grown their dividends for 12 years. JPMorgan Equity Premium Income ETF. Ticker symbol JEPI. The JPMorgan Equity Premium Income ETF is an actively managed fund that generates income by selling options on U.S. large-cap stocks. The fund invests in S&P 500 stocks that exhibit low volatility and value characteristics and sells options on those stocks to generate additional income. Their current price is $54.20. They decreased by 10.40% on the one-year charts and have 10.05% current yield. Their 52-week low is $52.54, and 52-week high is $63.67. This ETF has grown its dividends for a year. Icahn Enterprises LP Common Stock. Ticker symbol IEP. Icahn Enterprises is an American conglomerate headquartered at Milton Tower in Sunny Isles Beach, Florida. The company has investments in various industries including energy, automotive, food packaging, metals, real estate and home fashion. The company was incorporated on February 17, 1987, and is controlled by Carl Icahn, who owns 88% of it. Icahn Enterprises had a current price of $51.77 by the time of creating this video. They increased by 4.16% on the one-year charts and have a market cap of $16.71 billion. Their 52-week low is $47.17 and 52-week high is $58.50. Current yield of 15.52%. Icahn Enterprises has grown their dividends for a year. Early retirement is on the horizon. Thank you for your time. If you appreciate the heads up, subscribe to Investor X, give the video a like, and ring the retirement bell. Stay tuned. Disclaimer: past performance does not indicate or guarantee future results. These stocks are for educational purposes, and I am personally invested in every stock being discussed at the time of the video, and most likely for the rest of eternity. Always do your own due diligence and/or consult with an expert investment advisor. Every morning when an antelope wakes up, it knows it must outrun the fastest lion, or it will die. Every morning when a lion wakes up, it knows it must run faster than the slowest antelope, or it will starve. Whether you are a lion or an antelope, when the sun comes up, you'd better start running.